Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway. Today's date is Wednesday, December 4th, 2014. What I wanted to show you today is, in my opinion, some of the shadiness of the market. And really, the average investor should be outraged that this kind of thing goes on. All right, so what we're looking at today is the SPY, which is the S&P 500. And the market was selling earlier today. And then we put in a little bit of a bottom, and just like a faucet being turned off, the selling pressure just dissipated and was overcome by buyers. And what you see here is really a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up candles, green candles, buy candles, and then a major pop on the market on news. Look at the volume. Huge volume. And what I'm bringing to your attention here, again, which should outrage each and every one of us, is that essentially the news was that the ECB, the central bank in Europe, was releasing news that they were going to be instituting a potential bond buying program in January. Now, granted, most of us know that already from past commentary, but this was a specific news break that occurred, and that's why the market, again, had this huge pop on this massive amount of volume. Now, what should piss each and every one of you off is that occurred right here. That news release was released to the public. This is when the public got the news, right? When this big volume candle occurred. That's the public saying, holy cow, look at this. This is the average smaller hedge fund. But what should annoy you is that obviously there were individuals out there, most likely hedge funds and institutions, who got this as much as an hour, I repeat, an hour before the market got the news itself, when the average investor got the news. And look at that. All right, so the market was weak here. You're telling me that this amount of upside here randomly all of a sudden occurring in a weak market wasn't because they knew ahead of time what was coming? Absolutely it was. Let's not kid ourselves, guys. And again, just the precursor or the continued shadiness of the market being displayed here. And you see this off and on, but today a very obvious occurrence of this going on. And again, just look at it again. Here's the news break. Here's where the news hit the market about what the ECB commentary was. There's your massive pop, and then that actually put the top in. The average investor bought the top of the market in the short term here. Since then, the markets haven't even come close to that high and are now consolidating sideways. But this is where the big institutions, the big boys got the news, and they just bought, and then they waited for the pop, and they sold right in. This is them selling into the buyers, guys, right here. This is them dumping for a nice profit. Should be enraging, folks, and they should really investigate this type of thing. Very shady action right there. All right, bottom line is, come to InTheMoneyStocks.com, folks. We're here fighting for the little investor. We are always here. Take the 7-day free trial, and we can teach you how to read this and be ahead of the curve. Take care.